Yeah, trails are not quite ready yet. So there's goop. It's a lot of goop. Oh yeah, I forgot to adjust the suspension this morning. Soften it up a little bit. Well, it says it goes down to the highway. We're gonna give it a shot. All these damn trails are still so mucky. Look at this. I'm walking it over. It's because I don't actually know, the torque of this thing yet, with the Recluse. And that was my traction control went off. Yeah, so the thing is, I just don't know the traction or the torquiness of the Recluse and everything, and so just taking it easy, you know? Just taking it easy. Like, guys, I asked the guy, I'm like, is this road accessible? He's like, well, I don't think so. And I said, well, it's on the map. What do you think? And he's like, well, well, if it's on the map, oh, this is not the beta. Definitely not the beta. With the beta, you can just point the wheel, anywhere you want it to go. You can point the wheel anywhere you want it to go, and it would be like, sure, let's do it, man. Whew. So much for that Rottweiler tail tidy, huh? Oh, that's our line. We gotta come out of that thing right there. I wonder if I should go left. I don't think I can. Let's go for it. There you go. Oh yeah, I'm not doing this in May again. There we go. Little bridge. Oh, that's traction control, see? good, good clearance. Yeah, this is not a GS-friendly road this time of year. Hold on. This is why the Recluse is awesome, by the way. No feathering required. I'm not a good rider, but I can act like one. So let's go straight. Oh yeah. Well, we've got a little marker here. I don't see a house. That looks intentional, doesn't it? Yeah, she's getting dirty. Don't fall. Yep, it's gonna fall. That'll do. I think you did this on purpose. All right, I wasn't recording, but I got over it. So, the good news, I guess, about the 701, oh shit, it's a bog, is that it's still light enough to pick up. Like it's still, you can still pick it up, which is great. Keep left. Ooh, here that way. This is no longer 701 territory, that's for sure. Looks like it dead ends. We're so close to the end too, but I don't know, man. It appears it dead ends. There's the trail there. We can probably meet if we go that way. I'm on someone's piece of land. She was nice about it, but she gave me some advice just to cut through here and go to the far end. And I'll make my way out from there. She said just don't scare her cows. Alright, well, I did make it out of that, by the way. Clearly, look at it. The bike is filthy. Just a reminder, this is not a woods bike. That was fun. That was a lot of fun. But I'm exhausted. And am not going to take any GS riders down that road. No way.